positive 20 divided by negative 5. Tandaan, same signs is equal to positive answer, different signs is equal to negative answer. For examples, 4 times 5 parehong positive, kaya ang final answer ay positive 20. Negative 4 times negative 5 parehong negative, kaya ang sagot ay positive 20 pa rin. Kapag naman different signs, negative answer, kaya ang 4 times negative 5, negative 20. Ang negative 4 times 5, magkaiba pa rin, kaya ang final answer ay negative 20. Sa division naman ay ganun din. So magdi-divide lang kayo, 20 divided by 5 is 4, same sign, kaya positive answer, positive 4. Negative 20 divide negative 5, so magkapareho ng signs, kaya positive pa rin ang sagot. Pag naman different signs, negative 20 divided by 5, i-divide lamang, so 4, magkaiba, kaya negative ang sagot.